Experience the stunning brilliance of Mini LED TV with the LG QNED 90 that gives you an edge in your entertainment with quantum dot nanocell technology powered by Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos. LG QNED 90 operates on a 120Hz refresh rate display screen, delivering smooth visuals that immerses you in the scene. The TV wall design of LG QNED 90 enhances your entertainment setup with style and perfectly complements your home decor. LG QNED 90 is equipped with the advanced Mini LED backlight technology that uses thousands of tiny backlights to deliver deeper blacks, brighter images, and incredible detail for a picture quality that's truly out of this world. Experience rich and vibrant colors with QNED Color Pro, powered by quantum dot and nanocell technology in a real 4K QNED Mini LED display. LG QNED's Precision Dimming Pro technology uses powerful deep learning algorithms and individual dimming blocks to create sharper contrast, enhanced brightness, and more natural images displayed on QNED's stunning big screen. The powerful Alpha 7 AI processor 4K 5th generation harnesses the power of AI for lightning-fast performance of the TV and optimizes color accuracy and sound quality for an immersive viewing experience. AI Picture Pro guarantees outstanding lifelike image quality by enhancing people, objects, foreground and background effects in each scene. AI 4K upscaling enhances all content, even non-4K content, to produce incredibly detailed and clear 4K picture. AI Brightness Control calibrates picture settings based on ambient lighting and viewing environment to ensure beautiful image quality. The Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro feature optimizes each block of screen for vibrant, high-definition visuals and vivid HDR picture quality. LG QNED 90 TV supports the powerful combination of Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos to ensure every moment is a cinematic masterpiece. Dolby Vision IQ transforms the image with stunning HDR imaging, delivering vibrant colors and incredible detail. Dolby Atmos places you at the center of the action, with sound flowing all around you, enveloping you in a rich, detailed audio environment. LG's own dynamic range technology, HDR10 Pro and HLG, intensifies regular HDR content, bringing lifelike clarity to every image on screen. Filmmaker mode keeps the original ratios, colors and frame rates, showing you what the filmmaker intended for you to see. WebOS 23 allows you to set up your preferred way to view the hub that is revolved around you. Edit quick cards for an easy access and set up My Profile to get tailored content recommendations and notifications, all from one place dedicated to you. You can add up to 10 profiles on your home screen. Now you can enjoy a fresh look of the WebOS interface for the next 5 years with the groundbreaking WebOS Renew program from LG. LG ThinQ AI, an interactive home dashboard with voice assistance that allows you to set up routines and operate your TV with ease. LG QNED 90 TV functions as your smart assistant, which takes convenience to a new level with support from Amazon Alexa built-in, Google Assistant, Apple AirPlay 2, and HomeKit. Mirror your content directly onto the TV, monitor connected appliances, and quickly check information with your voice. You can enjoy your favorite content with the biggest streaming platforms directly on LG QNED TV. You can play Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Sony Live, ZEE5, JioCinema, and many more channels for limitless on-demand content. LG's Magic Remote enables a universal control of the TV. LG QNED 90 TV packs in features and support To power up your gaming experience, the Game Optimizer enables you to find all the settings you need for optimal gameplay in one place. And Game Dashboard allows you to change the current game genre settings easily on real-time basis. The TV supports AMD FreeSync Premium to deliver variable refresh rate, which reduces stutter, tearing, and input for seamless and smooth gameplay experience. Auto Low Latency Mode, HGIT Profile, and EARC meet the latest HDMI 2.1 specifications to give you an edge over your opponents and allow fast-moving content with synchronized graphics to get you more wins. AI Sound Pro immerses you in the scene with sound effects from the scene precisely flowing all around you, with the character's voice becoming more clear. This feature upmixes 2-channel audio into virtual 5.1.2 channel sound that creates a theater-like experience. Available in 164cm screen size, LG QNED 90 is packed with a revolutionary combination of technology and dawns a new era for an immersive and entertaining experience with a beautiful design to blend in with your interiors. This is the new LG QNED 90 TV.